What's up, guys? So I got a really cool new gadget, new tool that I know you guys are going to love. So first off, how many of you hate having to go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's, Napa, whatever auto parts store that is local to you whenever your check engine light comes on? It's a hassle because you normally have to drive either out of your way or you just have to get the car to the location to get the codes ready to figure out what's going on with your car. Not everyone owns a scan tool. Not everyone wants to buy a scan tool because they can be very pricey, especially for a tool that, say, the average do-it-yourselfer may only use a few times a year. Now, if you are a freelance mechanic or you're a professional mechanic or something like that, then yeah, you're probably gonna already have a full scanner, and if you don't have a full scan tool, then this will be the tool for you to have on the fly for your personal cars and for your clients' cars that you may see whenever that may be. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. What I have here is this little guy. Now this is the Elm 327. It's a Bluetooth scanner. This plugs directly into your OBD2 port and it reads all your information just like a larger, more complete scan tool would do. So let's do a little run through and show how this works. All right, so just like any other scan tool, we're going to locate your OBD2 ports. Most vehicles will be on the driver's side floorboard, up under the dashboard, up the steering wheel. Some cars will have it off to the side, like over here by the center console. Some cars may have it over on the passenger side, but most newer modern cars, it's going to be right here on this side, usually more to the left side than it will be in the center, usually, but you know, every car is different. So you take your connector and you plug it in like you would. I'm going to be doing this on camera, so pardon me if I fumble around. There you go, it's plugged in. Now it's powered by your car's power, so you see that light came on, it's turned on. Now just like you would anything else, grab the key, turn the key on, grab your phone, let me not show my password. Alright, and you get this app right here called the Torque app. Now let me focus so you can see it. You can kind of see it. So there it is, the Torque app. It's that lower corner right here. That's the Torque app. You hit that. So you can get the free version, which is what I am running right now. You can also get the paid full version, which is $4.95. Now when you buy this Bluetooth reader, it'll come with access to the software itself on this little tiny CD. I'll show you that in a second. I went ahead and just downloaded this for the making of this video. And right now, there it shows you. So you go ahead and scan for Bluetooth devices. And once it's done scanning, you should see that right there where it says OBD2. Pair it up. It's been paired. I forgot what my hold on. The device has been paired. I remembered my password. So there you go, OBD2. It's paired. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how this changed. See some vacuum. Since this is a naturally aspirated car, it's not boosted. But you can see the vacuum right there is changing in the background. And I give it gas, and the vacuum value changes. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. So you can add different windows here on this screen. So add display, and you can add whatever you need. A dial, so it's 0 to 60 time, acceleration sensors, engine coolant temperature sensor, average trip speed, engine load, engine RPM, engine fuel. So you've got a lot of things here. So let's actually look at fuel trim. Let's do a small display. Can you move display? There you go. Okay, cool. So that's fuel trim right there. All right, camera, I need you to focus. There we go. And let's see what else we got. GPS, intake air temperature, mass airflow rate, miles per gallon, O2 sensor, that's good to know. Get your speed, throttle position sensor, timing. Let's check out timing. Let's do it small. You long press and hold brings up the menu, move display. You can move it, and you got these other windows also. So this is really cool. This is a pretty cool complete app, and this is the free version that I'm running on right now. So it shows you my timing advance right there. It's at 15.5. There's my fuel trims changing. You can see everything right there. Let's do a graph this time. And let's do a graph of mass airflow rate. How about that? Actually, let's do a graph of miles per gallon long-term average. Small. Well, obviously I haven't been driving, but you see that graph will show you your miles per gallon over your long-term average. That's actually really impressive, and that can be very useful. Add display, graph. Let's do it again. Let's do engine load. There we go. So you can see the engine loads right there. It's a small graph. I can't change the size of it once you set it, so that's good to know. And let's give it some gas. There you go. You can see how the engine load changes, just like a heartbeat. It's the heartbeat of your car. Cool. Awesome. So I don't currently have any fault codes, so why you can't read that. But as you can see, this program, this application, and this device are really, really, really intuitive. They're very cool, very useful. You can use it for tuning. You can use it for data logging. You can use it for monitoring all the systems in your vehicle. Say you have an older car, or you just have a car that's been heavily modified and your gauges don't work. And instead of having to connect, 10 different gauges, you can just hook up this app, this device, and monitor everything. Say if you have a tablet or something with a larger screen, even your laptop, you can port all this information over to that, and then you can monitor your vehicle's vital signs a lot more accurately and very, very cheaply compared to what's on the market right now. So I think this is really cool. I'm really excited about it, if you can't tell. I apologize if I've been talking a lot. I'm just gonna go play around with this thing a lot more and get to know it, get this phone set up with all the vital information that I need for my car, and just gonna be using it. So if you found some value in this video, you found this useful, you think this is a tool that you can use, or you know somebody who can use this tool, link in the description below. We're gonna give you 10% off with this link. So please go down there, show us some love, show us some support, and help yourself while doing so. Thanks again for this quick little tidbit. Thanks again for checking this out. We appreciate it. Remember to go out there, do something awesome. We're gonna be doing more tool time videos. So if you thought this was cool, you appreciated it, you like the information, you like to learn about new tools, new gadgets, I'm gonna be doing more of this style of video. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and we'll see you guys next time. Remember to go out there, do something awesome. Peace.